Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue credit notes on QuickFile accounting software. To issue credit note, we need to select an invoice which we want to credit. So let's go to our list. In my case, I need to issue credit note to Anna H and relates to invoice 29. Click on this invoice, and to issue credit note either in full or in partial, we need to click on more options and click on credit note. From here, we can amend credit note date and decide if we need to actually issue credit note in full or we need to issue only partial credit note. In my case, I will have a partial credit note. I need to issue credit note for service line for £50. So I deleted above line. I'm happy with all information and preview and send. This pop-up message states that £50 will be applied to invoice 29 and I'm quite happy with that one and click save. Here we have a couple of options. Either we can send this credit note, but in that case I will need to make sure that email address is provided in contact details, or I can print and download and distribute in different ways. Here is a credit note slip and it provides details and also information at the bottom advising that this credit note has been made against invoice 29. If I click on this invoice, I can see that now this invoice has been credited in part and also credit note applied amount is provided there, so only £45 are due by this customer to be paid to me. And there is also notes provided about this credit note. I can still add attachments and I can also see recent events happening relating to this invoice below. So in this episode I showed you how you can issue credit notes on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.